As more and more people are at home practicing social distancing and/or under stay-at-home orders, many are turning to social media to stay connected to their family, friends, and even local businesses. Now more than ever, it's important to create or increase your social media presence to remain top of mind to your customer base. Social media outlets provide an invaluable avenue for you to reach consumers right where they are, especially these days as they sit at home on their phones or tablets. Connecting with your customers in such a direct way has some major benefits for the reputation, growth, and profits of your business. The top 3 benefits of social media are build and maintain brand awareness, develop reputation and relationships, and grow your business. But just having a social media presence isn't enough. You need to do it right. Let's outline some of the best practices for maintaining your social media presence. Select the channel that works best for your dealership. We recommend starting with Facebook, YouTube, and LinkedIn. Post engaging content, not just content to make a sale. Be consistent with your posting timeline and post at least a few times per week. Use ads to target specific audiences that are likely to purchase. Respond to comments and messages in a timely manner. And set goals and measure effectiveness to ensure your social strategy is working. Well, there you have it. During times of social distancing, growing social media influence is a great way to successfully maximize exposure and grow sales. For additional information, please contact us at marketing@traderinteractive.com.